Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you some of the projects that I've created using our brand new paper collection, Stars and Stripes. You'll find Stars and Stripes at Decor8yourlife.com and also in our Etsy shop. I will go ahead and leave you with the links to our paper collections along with my coupon code in the description area of my YouTube video. Plus, you'll also want to check out members of our design team so that you'll be able to see other paper crafting ideas, whether you use papers from Decorate Your Life or not. So, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, I would like to apologize for the way this video is set up right now. It's simply because my desk is a mess and I do have to get going somewhere later on this morning. So from the last video, you saw that I went ahead and I used this die from Temu to make this beautiful card. And like I said, I went through a lot. It was very time consuming to make this, but I think it was well worth it. And you can always go back to my last video for Stars and Stripes to see exactly what it was that I had to do to create this sturdy cart. So other items that I have made are shaker card. Look at this. Isn't this absolutely cute? And this, well, it's not a shaker card, but it's like a shaker thingamajiggy, and it is a memory dex card, and this is what it looks like on the back. And so the winner will be receiving this as well. And here I have yet to do anything, and I really don't think I should do anything with these bag toppers because the paper is so beautiful, but anywho, I made this bag topper for prizes. I also made this tiny little box using one of my dies from Temu, and it's really, really cute, and of course something is going to be going in there. And I made this using another one of my dies from Temu. And so, but the thing is, I don't think I did it quite right because it's not, see how it is, but I mean, if the winner wants it, you can keep it or you can chunk it, but I will definitely use this to put a little bit of love in here, and I probably won't need to use anything to keep it closed, but yeah, I went ahead and made this. And last but not least, I went ahead and I created this baseball cap. It is rather sizable, as you can see. Let me go ahead and turn it around. Turn around. Da, 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 da. And this was very, very labor intensive. Did I get it right? But anyhow, this is what the back looks like, or what the underside looks like. And as you can see, it is a box. Let me see if I can get this open. Yes, I did. Okay, so of course over here we have that little cutie. I love it. I made the little strips that go along with that. And it is a rather sturdy box, and this is what this side looks like. And as you can see, I went ahead, what I like about this die set is that you can use a lot of your just stash, strips that when you're done die cutting things like this, you can just go ahead and use strips rather than having to go into brand new sheets, but y'all know what I mean. Y'all are crafters. And this is what the inside looks like. Now, I decided not to do anything else on the inside. The inside has glue. It has double-sided tape. It even has hot glue. It was so intensive. Okay, because just putting it together, and I bought this set of dies like a year ago. And just now I am getting to use it, And oh yeah, the stickers, I dressed it up with some stickers from Hobby Lobby. And I had this flower up on my stash for a little while. But I love it. I love the size. This reminds me of like a youth size cap. Isn't this cute? And what I really like about it is that, number one, it's different. Number two, it's well fitted, okay? And it turns into a box. And let me, oops, I probably won't be able to do this on my own. Okay, and so, anywho, yeah, and I really like it. I really do. So kudos to whomever came up with this design, cat design. It's really cute, except this is not so easy to put together, so yeah, but I like the design a lot. I don't know if I'll be making another one, but anyhow, yeah, I wanted to go ahead and show you my projects before I went out for the weekend. And yeah, let me know what you think of these projects. And of course, this is part of my entire giveaway. You're gonna get some goodies in here and here and here and here, and I'm gonna make a goodie bag here because I got a ton of goodies that, you know, from Temu and whatnot. And so yeah, make sure that you check out our other members, the other members of our design team, because they are really a great team. And wow, you'll be surprised by what you can make. Excuse me. So I hope that you'll have a wonderful weekend. I'm sorry, my voice is going. I hope that you'll have a wonderful weekend. God bless you all. Bye. Oh yeah, check out the giveaway rules in the description down below, and make sure that you put enter me so that way I know that you want to be entered and be a visible subscriber. Okay, bye now.